Hello, welcome back. In our earlier videos, we have seen how the basic UI is, and also we have gone through the left navigation pane, in-depth details about navigation pane, these application menus, favorites, and also this history. This is what we see right now. But in many of the organizations, the UI might be different. Depending upon the instance configuration, the UI might be different. That is because of a different version of UI. Right now, whatever we see, it is actually of UI 16. If we click on the gear icon over the banner, we can see a button called Switch to UI 15. This is the older version. Right now we are on UI 16 as I said, and this is the latest version. If we want to go back to the earlier version, we can click on the UI 15. This will actually load the whole form in UI 15 version. So in your instance, in your organization, the instance might be in UI 15. If that is the case, then this is the view which you will be seeing. The basic things over this UI 15 and the UI 16 is almost the same. On the top, we can see the banner icon, a banner area, and here is a content area, and left side we can see the navigation pane. There is an extra thing called the edge bar, and this is something which is specific to the UI 15. We'll be discussing about this in few moments. Before that, let's discuss the similarities or the things which are almost same as the UI 16. As you can see, the basic thing, the content area is the same. If we talk about the banner, we can actually hide this banner. There we have seen something called elevate roles. If we click on this, this is actually in the UI 15. This is the elevate roles thing. If we click on it, it will ask for the security admin elevation. Other thing we have seen over the UI 16 is impersonate user. If we click on it, again we'll be able to impersonate any of the user. These two options were under the particular username. Over the right side we were able to see the username, and if we click on it, we'll be able to see these two options between the profile and the logout links. If I click on the username, I'll automatically see the user profiles, this particular user's user profile, and then this is the logout button. These four things, the profile and the impersonation and elevate roles and finally the logout, all these four options are clubbed under the username in the UI 16. Here we have the chat option over there. The same thing is over here, and then the gear icon, we can see the switch to UI 16 button. This is the help bar. We have seen it over the UI 16 already. What do you want to where do you want to redirect to, home pages or the dashboards? All the things which I have seen over there are all present over here, but in a different way. We had different tabs over there like general, form, list, but here everything are available over here. There are no tabs over here, but there are different sections. All the options which you see over there will also be over here. So the basic thing is all the options which you are seeing over the UI 16 and UI 15 are the same, but the way you see or the place where you see will be different. Even the search is also available, the global search. So that's it regarding the banner and the content area. There is no change regarding these two. If you are talking about the options and all, there we have favorites. So if we want to see the favorites, you can click on this, so it will show only the favorites. These are the right now these are the only favorites which I have selected, so that's why you're able to see only that. And on top of it, we can bookmark certain things in our earlier version, the UI 16. You can create a filter and you can add to the bookmark. Here is the place where we add the bookmarks. We have three more things over here. The first thing is toggle navigator. The left navigation pan can be shrinked with this toggle navigator or expanded, and we can also resize the left navigation pan. We have list and form view. For this, we must ensure to open any of the list layout first. Let's say I'm going to the incidents list layout. If I open any of the incident, it will open in the tab over the right side. I can click on the plus icon over here. It creates a new tab. Now if I click on any of the incident, that particular incident details will be opened over this tab. I can see two tabs and two incidents at the same time. This is a tabbed form view. Finally, we have tagged documents. If we click on the tagged documents, we can see list of the tagged documents. How can we tag a document? Just go to any of the record, open any of the record. On the top, you can see the tag. Click on it, add any tag, and you'll be able to see it over here. So this is the tagged documents. This is the basic difference between the UI 15 and 16. Most of the options are available on both the things, the UI 15 and 16. The only thing is the way they are shown, or the place where they are shown, is different.